Hi guys, Murillo FFTP official here, and today I'm gonna be showing the BFB Viewer voting results. And this show was made by Kool Kenzie. Well, attention, spoilers. So let's start. Total votes 19. Okay, now Death Pact and Free Food were up for elimination. The team with the most votes will be up for elimination. So let's see. 1 vote Death Pact. Another for Death Pact, 3 votes for Death Pact, 1 for Free Food, and Free Food. 3 votes for Free Food. Death Pact and Death Pact both tied with 4 votes. Now 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 votes for Free Food, 5 for Death Pact, 6, 10. 10 for Free Food, 6 for Death Pact. Now 7, 8 for Death Pact, and the last vote goes for Free Food. Now let's see how many votes the teams got. 8 votes Death Pact and 11 votes for Free Food. So that means Free Food is up for elimination.